Okay, so this is my current filming space. This is, you know, my little one piece of the house. It's just sad because I pay the entire mortgage. We have, you know, pizza. As you can see, my kids don't respect my area, but we have makeup everywhere. There's makeup in here, makeup in there, my main brush is here, makeup in there, my little lights and stuff. I mean, obviously it's beginner friendly, but it's, you know, it could be a little better. Then when I'm taking photos, this is my other little space I have here, but it also gets taken over whenever Scotty wants to plug his game up. So that doesn't help me if I am filming here and Scotty's yelling at his, you know, Call of Duty partners here. It just doesn't work. Then we come to the garage with all this wasted space. My idea would be to start the wall at this line, and then obviously we have to get rid of the stuff. It's just junk in here. Like, that's from the wedding. That car seat, that's a shirt. I don't know why laundry's out here. Or like, it's just stuff that needs to be thrown away. And then I would like to put maybe a door here or a window. I'm thinking a window would probably be better. The only thing is, obviously in the summertime when it's hot in here, and when it's cold, you know, it's cold, so we have to figure out some type of insulation. But I feel like from that line to about here, like that over there, like we don't even have a dog. Like, why the hell do we have a dog cage? But like from here to here, all that, perfect off. But I'm happy because I can see everything coming to life. We're gonna have our office set up over here in the corner. Then I can leave my photo backdrop up. We'll have my whole studio project. Ignore all of this going on. Probably gonna throw a wig on later and film a short YouTube. But one mistake I did, don't want to get exterior paint. I think I asked the guy at Lowe's, and apparently because I said I was painting the garage, he was like, "Oh, we'll get this exterior paint." So that's what the first color looked like. I don't know if it oxidized, you can really say, but it looked ugly after it dried. But we made significant progress. We were done with the walls. I'm trying so hard not to be extra and paint the ceiling, but you know, if it happens, it happens. But we're done with the walls, so now time for furniture. I'm sorry, we're gonna do the flooring first. Flooring, and then I'll get the furniture, but let's look at the walls. So I just realized I filmed the other portions totally wrong, but anywho, I just got done with all of the trimming. This wall is perfect. I don't know. After these. Everything trimmed around. Made a total mess. So glad doing the floor. It's just apparently I'm just about this pan. Molding down. I even had extra paint and I got a little piece of concrete there, so I'm just gonna go down and for day 6, we are coming along, and I'm happy. Okay, so you know how I said I wasn't gonna be extra and do anything to the ceiling? Well, first of all, guys, get better tarp. I'm just a terrible painter. Like, I'm a great painter, but I'm a great, like, why is there paint everywhere? Anywho, look what I found. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my gosh. This is crazy. So I'm gonna have a glitter ceiling. Yeah. This just looks like me, all right here. So this is what I bought. So now I've added an extra project to my space. Don't mind me, I'm sitting on the floor because obviously my clothes are filthy. But anywho, I said I wasn't, but I did. Break time. We're also laying on the floor stocking the Amazon bag because in my package, so I can finish. It usually gets here like 1 or 2. Hopefully somebody just tries to knock out their orders today. I don't know, Amazon, if you're seeing this, I need my package, okay? I gotta finish. My OC's kicking in. It's like 8:30 in the morning. I have to do my taxes later. I was supposed to go to this Too Faced makeup event. I think it starts at 11. I don't need to go, but I'm going to. Not progress video. I'm tired. Might take a quick nap. Alright, so day 7 update. I did paint the ceiling. I hope you guys can see most of it, but I added glitter paint to the ceiling. And we've got most of the flooring done. We gotta get just that little, those edges over there. And then this space over here, and structure is done. I'm so happy. I think I need about maybe 24 square feet, because then we'll just have to cut those. I mean, otherwise I'm done. I might start building some of the furniture just because it's going to take a couple days for the supplies to get here, but we're making great progress. Say hi, boys. Hi. Say hi, boys. We got the kids helping now. Say hi, Kingston. Kingston, say hi. Zaire, say hi. No? Okay. This is not your dance studio? No, that's a negative. No. Zaire. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a floor done by yours truly. I'm so happy. We are just moving along. I love it. I love it. I love it. All right, this is what we got for day 10. I'm exhausted. I don't know why this took me 2.5 hours for these 2 dressers. But I'm not even gonna attempt the 9 drawers till tomorrow. But we'll finish the desk and then we'll be done with that. All right, day 11. We have a makeup desk. Read the instructions thoroughly because apparently you're supposed to put the tabletop on as you're doing the dressers. I didn't read that, so here we are. I did get most of my other stuff today, including my fancy new lamp here, which I love. And then we also got our drapes and our staple gun. So these I want to drape from the ceiling, starting here this way, and kind of cover up the old garage rails. But we'll see how that goes. Okay, this is our day 11, day 12. I can't think. But anywho, we got the 2 Alex 9 dressers. We're gonna start slowly moving my stuff outside. We're gonna rearrange. I planned a little bit only because what I have mapped out might not work function space-wise. I'm very good at planning stuff. Did not measure anything. So, hi son, my little helping not helper. But otherwise, we are getting it done. Hello everyone, so small cutaway here. If you are invested in this video, just know I didn't do anything else extra. Only thing I did, my husband did actually, was put together all of the furniture that I will show in the video. Just know I had to go on a little bit of a bed rest because I was doing too much, whatever. So just to let you guys know that everything was done in a timely manner. We got the studio up and running in a month. It was great. I'm excited to show you guys. So here is the finished look. Okay, so this is the final look. We are here. We have our desk. We finally got our computer in. Only thing I'm missing, I guess you could say from this space, is I ordered much more of my prints. Like I have some photos, but I have tons of prints we're gonna put on the walls here and here and here. We have my lights set up, my desk, my little sitting and thinking area with, of course, the magazine I was featured in. Then we have my desk going on. Gotta figure out if we're gonna do some shelving later on. That just houses all of my backdrops. But we have all of our makeup finally organized. My other little, this is my desk and my chair. So I have my one light here, my ring light here, and then light here. And then, yeah, this is where the magic is created. So, of course, I didn't hang the drapes on the ceiling as I wanted to, but I did hang them in the back. So we have a nice little cute chic backdrop in the background. But that is it. That was my project for the month, and we're done. We have my little space. Only thing, well, I keep saying only thing, but we're going to get an AC system running concurrently probably here, only because on the other side of this wall we're going to build his man cave. So I mean, hopefully that's a good idea that we end up being so close together again. But also love my glitter ceiling. But yeah, I'm happy, I'm excited, and we are all done.